What is up, guys? What is up? We're gonna strip some topsoil today, and the goal of today is strip some topsoil. We got about a 75 to 100 foot right of way we're working. We got to strip topsoil and then come back through and rework everything, because when they laid the line, it must have been muddier than a motherfucker, and quite frankly, they used a lot of hot lime and calcium, and there are cracks. I ain't shitting you, there are cracks about 4 or 5 inches wide throughout this whole knoll. So, yeah. We're gonna strip some topsoil and start reworking everything. We're only gonna go about 300 feet today. We got about 1,000 to 1,200 foot total. And yeah, there's not very much topsoil on this ground, as you can see. It's pretty much just subsoil, to be honest. But anyway, they want us to leave the flags up too. That way, operations guy does not have to remark it. So, I had 2 of those Starbucks Frappuccino drinks. So, yeah, kind of rearing up to go. I'm gonna set myself back a little further. That way I can get more of a bite. Fun times, fun times. It is a mere 27 degrees here this morning, which pretty much all the laborers are going to sit in the trucks and keep warm, which I don't blame them. I don't blame them at all. I'd be doing the same damn thing. Fly in the 850 up there, 850K. It's gonna be helping me.
Through there behind you, fly, so you know. 2 and 4, I'm about a dozer wide length from where I need to be. You can see where you need, that way you know what you got. You're up there looking back at it, ain't it?
We use radios to communicate around here. I swear communication is key anywhere you work. Because without communication, it can be a clusterfuck. on the last job. And they didn't want to fix it, so it'll be alright. It'll be alright. I ain't worried about it. Now, if I had to get close to that line, they would make me put a new one on. I look underneath this topsoil, the ground still looks like mud. Gotta love it. I love my job. I love what I do. See what I'll probably do. Probably pull this. Those are making people to get behind it. Probably end up going back behind this and
You on there, Chuckle?
pulling it again. Go ahead. Go ahead, Fry.
See, I couldn't get on it at all.
I mean, I'll pull this so far, I'll jump back and pull it again for you.
10-4, I didn't know if you knew or not.
I'll go up about halfway and then come back down and pull it. That way you can start working it, and then I'll go up and do the rest.
10-4.